Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a lemon mint margarita. First, gather your fresh ingredients: 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and a few mint leaves. Make sure your lemons are ripe for maximum juice. Having everything ready before you start mixing makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. Start by gently muddling about 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves in your cocktail shaker to release their aromatic oils. Next, pour in 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't forget 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup for sweetness. Fill the shaker with ice, then secure the lid tightly. It's time to shake things up. Vigorously shake your cocktail shaker for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the shaker feels frosty to the touch. Now, strain the perfectly chilled mixture into your prepared glass, filled with fresh ice. For that final touch, garnish your refreshing lemon mint margarita with a thin lemon slice and a vibrant sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy your delicious homemade lemon mint margarita. Remember, you can always adjust the simple syrup or lemon juice to match your personal preference for sweetness or tartness. Using a premium tequila can truly elevate the overall flavor of your drink, making it even more special. For an effortless way to keep your home sparkling, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.